Hi, welcome to Autumn Wraps. My name is Randy Miller, and today I'm going to be showing you when you order a table wrap or any kind, like a custom table wrap, or even wrapping your table with the Dianoc Belvian or the Bodak material, as you've seen right here. This is actually my personal work station. I'm going to actually have a laser cutter here and my computer here, but also I'm going to have like a work table. So I want to make it, I like to have a clean area, and I want to make it more bulletproof. And this applies to restaurants, home, commercial use, or anything like that. So once you wrap something, you can actually use a glaze, two-part epoxy, and then it'll make it more bulletproof. So I'm kind of showing you guys how to actually do it. So before I wrap this, what I used was the Zinsser guards from Home Depot, but actually you can go to Amazon.com and you look under Zinsser guards. It's a 1 gallon. It costs about $30 for the 1 gallon, but it goes a long ways. It's a clear coat, and it makes the vinyl stick much better on the surface. So this is actually plywood underneath. So I put 2 coats on here. I wait at least about a week for the Zinsser guards to gas out, but you can do it probably in a couple days after you do it. But it's best, the longer the better. Okay, the next thing I would do after wrapping this right here, let's clear all this away. So you basically need 2 cups of foam, lint-free rag, and what's called rubbing alcohol and water mixed in there together, rags, paper towels, and a stir stick. And this is $20 or $23 on Amazon, $20 if you go to Fred Meyer or something like that, or even Home Depot, I think it was. And that's it. That's the part right here. Okay. So the first thing I would do, and I just laid this down like a couple days ago, is use a lint-free rag, clean it really good. And this, like I said, if you have a custom print and table wraps, the restaurants, I recommend doing this for the restaurants. It just makes it more bulletproof. And believe it or not, you can actually, you can put stuff on. And what I'm doing is I'm cleaning all the grease or whatever it is. You could put the clear coat on, and if you don't seal around the edges, you can actually, if you get tired of this look, you can actually pull it off. And even with the clear coat over it, and rewrap it. Granted, this is actually going to be, this is a Dianoc, this is the oxidized metal, and this is the black leather. And granted, it's going to have a gloss look to it. But like I said, this is going to be my workstation out in my garage. I'm getting a glow forge. And I'd like to have a nice clean area. I'm kind of anal for cleaning areas, especially when I'm working. So, that's that. I would wait a little bit longer to let it dry to make sure I got all the stuff off. You just want to get the grease or whatever is on here off. Oh, another thing is you got to use a heat gun. The heat gun will make the glaze lay out flatter. Okay, let's get started going. let's say that this projects are pretty simple to me. You just use a foam brush, use uh, the heat gun and everything. The heat gun actually pops the little bubbles and it levels out the glaze and everything. And after a day or so, it's nice and hard. We're going to put the computer back on here, put the Glowforge laser cutter right here, and then wherever areas we can clean. So it's more or less bulletproof. And like I said, if I want to get tired of using or have this kind of color and everything, I can actually go underneath, pull the vinyl up and pop it right off, and then start over and get another vinyl or a different color or anything like that. But actually, you could probably put another vinyl on top of this after it dries for a couple of weeks. You could put another vinyl on here, and actually the vinyl will stick a lot better. Other than that, if you got any comments or questions, comment down below. And if you like the stuff, subscribe to me and learn a little bit more of the little techniques and everything, and kind of go from there. All right, stay tuned. I got more projects coming up, and go from there. All right, talk to you later.